I'm here in Thailand, ready to dive into a culinary showdown like no other. Oh man, we're about to pit the coastal flavors of Khao Lak against the northern delights of Chiang Rai. Two regions, totally different cuisines, but both absolutely mind-blowing. Let's check it out. Alright, let's kick things off with Khao Lak seafood extravaganza. Just look at this spread. We've got fresh shrimp, crab, and fish, all cooked up in these insanely flavorful curries and soups. Oh man, and don't even get me started on the grilled stuff. It's like the ocean decided to throw a party in your mouth. Now, switching gears to Chiang Rai. Up here in the north, it's all about that Lanna cuisine. You know, it's got this unique, robust flavor that'll knock your socks off. We're talking influences from Myanmar and Laos mixed with traditional Thai goodness. It's like a flavor explosion in every bite. Now let's hit up these crazy markets. In Khao Lak, we're diving into these tropical fruit paradises. I mean, look at this durian, and over here, rambutan and mangosteen. It's like nature's candy store, I swear. And the smells! You've got lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves everywhere. It's intoxicating. Flip the script to Chiang Rai, and we're in for a totally different vibe. These night markets are insane. You've got food stalls as far as the eye can see, each one slinging out unique flavors. From local recipes to some wild fusion dishes, it's a non-stop flavor train. And the energy here, off the charts. Alright, time for the heavy hitters. In Khao Lak, we've got to talk about Tom Kha Gai. This soup is... wow, it's creamy, it's tangy, it's everything. You've got this rich coconut milk-based tender chicken, and then bam! Galangal and lime hit you with that punch of flavor. It's like a party in a bowl, I'm telling you. Now, Chiang Rai's coming in hot with Khao Soi. Oh man, this dish is no joke. You've got these crispy noodles on top, then you dive into this creamy curry broth underneath. It's like texture heaven. And the flavors? Out of this world. It's rich, it's spicy, it's everything you want in a dish. I could eat this every day and never get bored. Let's break it down a bit. In Khao Lak, you're getting this perfect storm of coastal Thai heritage mixed with, like, centuries of seafood expertise. It's all about fresh ingredients and letting those natural flavors shine. You can taste the sea in every bite, you know what I mean? Now, Chiang Rai, that's a whole different ballgame. Up here, it's all about that ancient Lanna culture. But then, you got these influences creeping in from Myanmar and Laos. It's like a melting pot of flavors. You get these complex, spicy dishes that tell the story of the region's history. It's not just food, it's like edible culture. Okay, let's hit the streets. In Khao Lak, you can't walk 2 steps without tripping over amazing street food. We're talking grilled seafood skewers that'll make you weak in the knees. And don't even get me started on the papaya salad. It's like a flavor bomb in your mouth. Spicy, sour, sweet, all at once. Chiang Rai's bringing its A-game too. The street food scene here is off the hook. You've got these incredible sausages called sai wa. They're packed with herbs and spices. And then there's nam prik ong, this spicy tomato dip that'll set your taste buds on fire. In a good way. It's like the North is saying, hey, we can do street food too, and we're gonna blow your mind. Now let's uncover some secrets. Both places have these amazing hidden spots that'll make you feel like you've struck gold. In Khao Lak, I found this tiny cafe tucked away from the beach. They've got homemade cakes that'll make you cry tears of joy, I swear. And the coffee? Don't even get me started. It's the perfect break from all that spicy food. So who wins this foodie face-off? Man, that's like asking me to pick a favorite child. Both Khao Lak and Chiang Rai bring so much to the table, literally. From the fresh seafood and tropical vibes of Khao Lak to the rich, spicy flavors of Chiang Rai, they're both food paradises in their own right. I guess we'll just have to call this one a delicious draw and eat our way through both. You know what? I think the real winners here are our taste buds. So get out there, explore these amazing places, and eat your heart out. Until next time, keep eating and stay awesome.